Here's our easy sautéed green beans made with the most delicious garlic butter. You can make these beans in about 15 minutes. Prep the ingredients for the garlic butter first. We need a heaping tablespoon of minced garlic, as well as 1 tablespoon of butter, a half teaspoon of lemon zest, and a quarter teaspoon of ground black pepper. Set this aside for later. Now add 12 ounces of green beans and a quarter teaspoon of salt to a hot skillet with some oil. Toss them around and cook for about 5 minutes. Pour in a half cup of liquid, this is water, but stock works too, and cover the beans, then let them steam inside the skillet for 2 minutes. Uncover the beans, and if there's any liquid still in the pan, cook until it has evaporated. There we go. Now turn down the heat and add the garlic butter mixture from earlier. After a minute or so, the beans are done. And that's it. Tender, garlicky green beans made in under 15 minutes. As always, the full recipe is on Inspired Taste. Enjoy!
Thanks for watching. If you love this video, we have lots more. Make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel and say hi on Facebook, Twitter, or Instagram. We're at Inspired Taste.